This is insane. It's literally, dude, it's literally flooding. Dude, what the heck is going on? This is like the worst storm Wichita has had by far. Oh my god. Like, dude, look. This is insane. Oh my god. Oh my god. Lightning just freaking struck. Holy jeez. Oh my god. It's that bad. Jeez. Oh my god. Jeez, man. Oh my god, there's even police right there. Oh my freaking god. This is insane. Bro. Oh my god. Dude, this guy's like stuck with his hazards on and stuff. Dude, dude, this guy's, oh my god. I can't even speak right now. Yep, it's the worst storm we've had in a couple years. Yo, look at the fire truck! Even that can't stand it. What the heck? What the heck? Not even a fire truck can stand water like that. Oh my god. Worst storm. It's literally flooding. What the freak? Oh, there it goes into my school. There it goes. It's into my school. Oh my god.
Stop running on them stairs.
Sorry. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my freaking dang god. Oh! Yo! There's hail on the ground. There's ice. There's literally ice here, bro. It's gone. It's coming into my school. What the heck? What the heck? What the freaking heck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Insane. Yo, insane. You see that? Insane. You see? Insane. What is going on, man? This is insane. I've never seen anything like this before. What the freak, bro? Not even in Nevada we didn't get storms like this. Kansas is rough. Jeez. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. What do I even say as the cop comes through? He's going on one way. He's going on one way because he can. He's going on one way. What the freak, man? I've never seen anything like this. Like, bro, not even in Nevada I didn't get crap like this. There's like tidal waves coming into my school. Jeez. Dang! Oh my god! People are driving on the wrong side of the road. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? What the... What do I even say at this point? There's like nothing to say. There's nothing to say left. God. Oh my god. You think Bro, you don't see this every day. You do not see this every day. What the freak is going on? Oh, God. Bro. What? This is insane. Oh my God. I kind of want to go up there and go see, but I'm not gonna. Oh my God. Even an 18-wheeler can't stand it. Jeez. Dang.
I'm used to it.
Oh my God. You don't really see this every day.
Yep, I'm done.
Oh my God. What is going
First
on?
time, he went a little ways and said,
You just splashed down, Jesus,
"Made it
bro.
out that far and turned around, then fucking turned